Hey everyone, welcome back again. Guys, in this video, I'm going to show how you can connect your e-commerce store with WhatsApp in such a way that whenever any particular product got purchased from your e-commerce store, a WhatsApp message of confirmation will be delivered to the customer automatically. Yes, guys, let me show you. Here you can see on my screen, this is the flow of automation, guys. Here we are using WooCommerce plugin of WordPress to create an online store. In place of this, you can use any other store building application as well. And here, as and when a particular product got sold, the WhatsApp message of confirmation will be delivered to the customer automatically. And guys, you don't have to manually sort out the details of the customer, and you don't have to manually send those confirmations. So it will save your time, your energy, and it will improve your productivity as well. And guys, to make this connection between WooCommerce and WhatsApp, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And the best part is anyone can set up this automation very easily without any coding skills or programming knowledge. So guys, let's set up this automation together. So to set up this automation, guys, first of all, we need to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect application. And to reach here, you can use this link pabbly.com/connect. We have pasted this same in the description as well. From here, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account by clicking on this sign up free button in just 2 minutes, and you will get 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay, so sign up right now and then log in to reach here. And guys, here you have to create a workflow of automation. For that, you have to click on this create workflow button, and here you can give a suitable name to this workflow. So I'm giving the name here as WooCommerce to WhatsApp automation. Okay, so after giving the name like this, you just have to click on this create button, and you can see your workflow page is loading up here. And on this page, guys, you will see the trigger and the action. So guys, automation is going to work on these two things. So the trigger here is that event which is going to make this workflow know that it is time to run, and the action would be the response towards the trigger. So in this use case, the trigger would be selling of a particular product from your e-commerce store, and the action towards that trigger would be to send a confirmation message on WhatsApp to the customer. Okay, so first of all, you need to set up the trigger, and from this choose app field, you have to choose the trigger application as WooCommerce. So select WooCommerce from here, and after that it will ask for the trigger event. So the trigger event would be new order created option. Okay, and it will give you this URL. This is called as a webhook URL, guys, and with the help of this, we are going to make a connection with our WooCommerce, and after that we are going to capture the response of that webhook connection. Okay, so you can follow these instructions written here to make this connection. You can see we need to reach the settings of WooCommerce, and there you will find the add webhooks button. Let me show you how exactly you can make this connection. So guys, this is my WordPress dashboard, and here you can see I have this WooCommerce. From here I'm going to click on settings. Alright, so this is the settings page, and from here you will find this advanced tab. Click on advanced, and here guys, you have to find this webhooks option. Click on webhooks under the page setup, and here you will find this add webhook button. So by clicking on this add webhook button, we can add a new webhook connection. So click on add webhook, and this window will open up, and from here you have to give a name to this connection. So I am giving the name here as to customer. So you can give any relevant name, and here in this status you have to make this connection active, and from the topics you have to select a topic to send the data of the order. You can see here in this instructions, you have to select the topic as order created. So go back to the settings, and from this topic section, select order created. So whenever a new order is created for a particular product, the data will be sent to our workflow. Okay, and here it is asking for the delivery URL. So here you have to copy and paste this webhook URL, guys. Just copy it from here, paste it here in the delivery URL field like this. Okay, and keep the secret field as it is, and the API version as it is. Okay, now just click on save webhook button, and you can see a new webhook connection is getting saved here. And as you get this connection saved here in your workflow, in this response received section here, you will find this webhook ID created, okay, with this value. Now guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this recapture webhook response button, and after that we are going to fetch the response of this webhook connection. This means we are going to make a purchase of any particular product manually from our e-commerce store, and that will be a test purchase, and we are going to capture the data of that test purchase here so that we can set up this automation further with the help of that data. Okay, so click on recapture webhook button, then click on yes. Okay, and here you can see it started showing waiting for the response. Now we have to perform the test submission. Okay, so I have opened my online store here. You can see this is the store, and from here I am going to purchase this product, a drone HD camera. Okay, click on add to cart, and from here I am going to click on proceed to checkout. All right, and here I have to provide some details of the customer. So here I am creating any demo or a sample customer whose name is Harsha Yadav. Okay, she lives in United States, let's say, and here I'm going to enter the details of the. Okay, so here I'm entering the details here. The country is India, sorry, not US, and these are the details related to the customer, and this is the WhatsApp number of the customer, okay, with the country code, and here it is asking for the email address. This is the email address of the person. Now I'm clicking on place order, so you can see the details of the order here. Okay, so I'm clicking on place order, and you can see the order is getting placed. All right, this means a particular product which is a drone camera got purchased here. So we are going to set up this automation for this particular product only, which is a drone camera. You can see it is written here, thank you for receiving, thank you, your order has been received. These are the details, and here is the product, drone with HD camera. Okay, right, now let's check in our workflow if we got the data captured of this products getting sold or not. And here you can see guys, in this response we got the data captured of the product purchase like this. Here it is showing you the cost, the customer's details, the name of the customer, the address, and the email ID, and all other things related to the purchase is here. So this is the test data for us. Now we are going to move forward here in this automation, and guys, now what we want to send a confirmation message for this particular product that got just purchased, which is a foldable drone camera. Okay, so you got the product details also here. Let me show you. Here you can see in this line items name label, we got the details of the product. This is the product that got purchased. Now I want to send confirmation message about this particular product only. We do not want to send confirmation for all of the products. Just for this product we want to send the messages on WhatsApp. For that to happen, I'm going to apply this condition here that this workflow should run for this product only. For applying that condition, I'm going to use the sections tab. From here I'm going to select the filter, and guys, here in this filter it is asking to select the label. So guys, here I am going to select this label, this line item label. Okay, and here I am going to make the filter type equals to and put the value here as the name of this product. Okay, so when this condition, let me show you. First of all, let me select the label. So when you click here on the select label option, it will show you the previous step in the drop down, and from here only you can see all the data that you have received from the first step as the test data. So from here select the line item label. So you will find the line item label here like this. Okay, scroll down a bit more. Okay, so we got this line item label, select it, then make the filter type equals to, and in the value let me copy and paste the name of the product. Okay, so let me paste it here. So this means guys, this filter is ensuring that when the line item label is equal to this product, then only continue the workflow and send the confirmation message. Okay, so when you click here on save and send test request, you can see the condition is true here in this response. Okay, and when the condition is not true, the workflow will stop and don't send the message, right? So now guys, I want to send the confirmation message, and in that message I'm also going to mention the delivery date of the product. Okay, so let's say typically you delivers your product 3 days after the receiving of the order. Okay, so we need to have that date created here so that we can mention that date in the message. Okay, so to get that date, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on this plus icon, and from this action step I'm going to use a feature of Pabbly Connect which is called date time formatter. So search for date time formatter here like this, and here you will find an action event which is called current date. So it will retrieve the current date, that means the date on which you have received the order. Okay, and as you are going to receive the order, the workflow is going to run. Okay, so from the date of the order, 3 days after that date, we are going to deliver that product. So here I'm going to add 3 days more to the current date. For that, just click on connect, and here it is asking for the format of the date. So we are going to use the standard format that we generally use, which is this one, DDMMYY. Okay, and we do not want to include the time in the response, so I'm keeping it false. And here in the action events, you will find an action event which is modify current date. So you have to select this modify current date, and with the help of this, we are going to add 3 days more to the current date. That means on the date on which we are receiving the order. Okay, so as you are going to receive the order, this workflow is going to run, and to that date we are going to add 3 more days so that we can get the delivery date. Okay, so just click on connect here. All right, and here it is asking for the dates format. So the dates format, let's select this one, the basic one, DDMMYY, that we generally use. And here it is asking the time zone. So I'm working in India, so my time zone is Asia, Kolkata. You have to select your time zone. Okay, and in the operation I'm going to select add option, and in the units I'm selecting days, and here in the value I'm going to put 3. Okay, so this will add 3 days to the current date. Current date means on which the workflow is running. That means the date of receiving the order. Okay, so click on save and send test request here, and you can see we got the date time label here, and this is the delivery date for us. Okay, so we got the whole data, and now it is time to send the confirmation message. And for that, just click here on this plus icon, and from this action step, search for WhatsApp's Cloud API. Okay, so the WhatsApp's Cloud API is the recently launched platform by Facebook to give access of WhatsApp's API, or the application programming interface, to people so that they can connect their WhatsApp numbers or their phone numbers with WhatsApp and send messages directly to people using the API of WhatsApp. Okay, so guys, you need to set up your Cloud API first. You need to connect your number with the Cloud API, and after that you can use this feature here. And if you want to know how to set up the Cloud API, you can watch the videos from the description where we have thoroughly explained how you can set up your Cloud API for sending messages on WhatsApp. Alright, and here guys, the action event would be send template message option. Then click on connect, and from this window select add new connection if you are making the connection with your Cloud API setup for the very first time. And here you can give a name to this connection also, because this connection that you are making is going to be saved here in your account. Alright, and here you can see it is asking for the permanent access token of the Cloud API, the phone number ID, and the business account ID. So if you want to know more about these things in detail, you can just click here on this here word written in blue, and you will reach the forum page of Pabbly Connect. And here in the forum page you will find these 2 videos. First video is for the setup of Cloud API inside Pabbly Connect. Second video is for generating the permanent token for a Cloud API, and here you will find the steps along with the screenshots related to the connections that you can make with the Cloud API inside Pabbly Connect in the trigger and in the action. Okay, so you can learn many things about the Cloud API setup from here only. For these 3 things guys, let me show you my Cloud API setup. You can see this is Meta for developers page. Here I have created an app, and under this app I have set up my Cloud API, and I'm using this number for sending the messages using the API. Right, and here you can see in the getting started page of WhatsApp, we got the temporary access token. So first they gave you temporary tokens, guys, but these tokens expires in 24 hours. So you need to generate a permanent one so that you can run your workflows continuously. And if you want to know how to generate the permanent token, you can watch the videos from the description or from this forum page right here, right? So after that, after getting the permanent token generated, you have to keep it safe because we are going to use the same token to make the connection afterwards also. And for now, if you have generated the token, you have to paste the token here, and you can see we got the phone number ID here in this section. You can copy it from here and paste it here. Similarly, you will find the business account ID. You can copy it from here and paste it here. And after filling all these three things, you just have to click on save and you will be connected with your WhatsApp's cloud API. All right, and this connection is going to be saved here. So guys, making the connection by this process can be a one-time process only, because the connection is going to be saved in an account, and after that, if you want to make the connection again in a different workflow, you can use that same existing connection. As I have already made many connections with my cloud API setup in different workflows previously, so now I can use any of my previous connections. Let me show you how. So you just have to click here on the select existing connection option for that, and here it will show you this option. And when you click on this select connections field, it will show you all the previous connections that you have in the drop down like this. So from here you can choose any of the connections. I am choosing this one, which I have named as WhatsApp's cloud API final. So I'm selecting this. Now I just have to click on save, and you can see I'm getting connected again. So we are now connected. Okay, and here it is asking for the templates name. So guys, let me first tell you what templates are. So guys, here in this WhatsApp's getting started page, in this second step, send message with the API, you can read here, to create your own message template, click here. When you click on this here word, you will reach the message template section. And guys, these are the templates I have. So guys, message templates are nothing but the predefined, pre-created message structures that you can use to send messages via API to multiple people at once on WhatsApp. So you need to create such message templates here first, and after that you can use those templates to send messages. So the template I have created for this purpose is this one. Let me show you. Here is the message template I have created, and here you can see the preview of this message template. So guys, when I'm going to send the message using this template, the message will appear like this on WhatsApp. It is written here, order confirmed. Hello, thank you for shopping with us. Your order of this is confirmed, and we will deliver your package by this. So you can see we have this 1, 2, 3, and 4 and double curly braces here. So guys, these are the variable things in our message, or the body fields of the message template. Okay. So in place of this, I'm going to place the name of the customer in the first body field. Here, the name of the product in the second body field. Here is the delivery date. Here is the WooCommerce store's name. Okay. So these are the things which are going to change with every new message. Okay. And guys, to create such a template, let me show you. Here on this page, you just can click here on this create message template button, and here you will find these three categories in which you can create message templates. First is the transactional one, second is the marketing, and third is the OTPs. So you can select any category according to your need. I am selecting transactional here just to show you the demo. And here you can give any name to this template, any relevant name. All right. After that, you can select the language in which you want to send the message from here. And after that, just click on continue, and you will reach this page. And under this page in your message template, you can attach a header, and in that header, you can send a text, or you can send media, and in media, you can send an image, a video, or a document. So whatever you select, you have to add a sample of that too. Let's say I'm selecting an image. So here, by clicking on this add sample button, I have to add a sample of the image that I want to send on WhatsApp. Okay. Right. So after that, here in the body box, you have to type the main body of the message or the main text message that you want to send. So you can just write the message here. All right, like this. And if you want to place the variables to get some things changed dynamically every time you send a message, you can place variable tags here by clicking on this add variable button, and that's how a tag will be added. Okay. After that, it will show you the footer option. So in this footer, you can add a short line of text, and you can also add a call to action button or a quick reply button also in the same message template. Okay, so after creating a standard template, you just have to click on submit from here and submit your template. And after that, right now I'm discarding this. After that, Facebook is going to review that template and approve it. So it will just take a few minutes to get the approval, and after that you can start using that template. So here guys, in my workflow, I'm going to use this template, where it is, this one, WooCommerce underscore order. So here it will show you the list of all the templates that you have. From here you have to search for yours, which is this. Okay, select it. And you can see after that the language code and the template ID will be auto populated. No need to do anything. Here it is asking for the recipient's mobile number. So here you have to place the WhatsApp number of your customer. And we have received the test data of the product purchase and the customer here in the first step. And in this first step only, you can see that we have received the details of the customer as well. And we have received the WhatsApp number also. Let me show you. This is the number. In the billing phone label, we got the WhatsApp number. Okay, so I'm going to map this label here in this tab. So just click here on this field and it will show you the previous 3 steps under drop down. And from this first step, map the WhatsApp number label, where it is. Here it is. Select it. And now it is asking for the body fields. So I have already shown you that we have some variables in our message. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So to get the values of these body fields or the variables change dynamically with every new message, we need to map the values of these body fields here in our workflow. And we are going to do that with the help of sample data or the test data only, which we have received in the first step. Right, so in the first body field, I want to map the name of the customer. So I'll find it from the first step. Here you will find the name as this, map it. Let me map the full name here. Alright, let's see what we want in the second field. Okay, in the second field, we want to place the name of the product, which you will find from the first step only under the line item label. Here you will find the line item label. Okay, this is it. Select it. In a third body field, what we want to place the, we want to place the delivery date, and you will find the delivery date from the third step, which is this, map it. Another fourth body field, you can place the name of your store. I am just putting here Pabbly. You can place the name of your store. And the thing that you are entering manually here, it is going to be static. This is not going to change. The things that you are mapping here, the labels that you are mapping are going to change every time you receive a new order. Okay. So guys, now you can check your connection with WhatsApp by clicking on Save and Send Test Request. A test message will be delivered to this WhatsApp number. So guys, actually I have the access to this WhatsApp account, so I can show you how the message is going to look like. So I'm clicking on Save and Send Test Request here. And this is the response we have received. Now let me show you the message. So guys, this is the message we have received. Let me show you. It is saying order confirmed. Hello Harsha Yadav, thank you for shopping with us. Your order for drone with this HD camera is confirmed. We will deliver your package by this date. So you can see guys, this is the same date that we have fetched and mapped here. You can see. Okay, this is the same things that I have mapped here is now inside this message. Okay, so this is how it is going to work guys. This is how you can send the confirmation messages. So we are done setting up this automation, and guys, you have to set up this automation only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually here. After that, as and when you are going to receive an order of a particular product, the messages on WhatsApp will be delivered like this automatically. Okay. And the good part is you can use the same workflow that I have created, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.